All right, guys, here we go. I don't have time to do it all tonight, but I'm dying to find out whether or not these 4 screws are gonna come out so we can get to the next level of this. So, impact driver in my hand. See what happens. Number 1 turned. It turned. Hot damn. Let's go to number 2. These have been getting soaked up in PB Blaster. That one turned. That one turned, guys. All right, let's flip around to the other side. All right, are we gonna get these other 2? Let's go for it. It turned. It's turning, guys. That one's turning. Can we go 4 for 4 and call it an awesome night and then know that we've got something cool coming up? It turned. All 4 of them turned, guys. That is awesome. We've already got the cover off. That's gonna be set, and then we're gonna pull these 4 out. These are, I gotta get into the cylinders to get those spark plugs out, remember? So there we go. Long bolts in here, and they actually came free. I can't believe they came free, guys. I was sitting at work today thinking about this, and I was like, what are the odds that I can actually get these bad boys out? And look at that. We went 4 for 4 tonight, guys. 4 for 4. There's the other one. And one more. Pull that out of here. This is fun. I'm so jacked to be diving into this engine. There it is. There's 4. Those are the 4 that's holding me on. I got a lot of work to do, though. I got to get the rockers out. I think I got to pull all this stuff out and stuff, too. I got a lot of work to do, but, man, these bolts keeping me up at night. I was like, are they actually going to come out of there? Once we do that, we'll be able to take this section off, and then we're going to be able to see inside the actual cylinder. Hopefully, we haven't done any damage to that. And we'll be able to clean that up and hopefully just put it back together and get her running again. So I'm super stoked. Let's put this cover back on here. Celebrate with me in the comments, guys. That's big. We're going to make progress on this engine. If you like the channel, if you're having fun following along, subscribe. It means a lot. Also, you can follow along on Twitter and Instagram at BV Matson. We'll keep going on the 1972 CL350 and tearing down this Honda twin engine. See you next time.